kuble pi baro kani kede gidu dashu MEGHALAYA bagi petang subhai pi baro sya katup kubo mataka janmiet. Hashwan pash ki kubor ke bepnya ipechwai ke mat kongsan. Bidang Sobhau Menteri Rangbak ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangmai ke Samla Bapas Pah ke eksamen SSLC na KHASI Bajai Hills. Ha ke yeng sa ke jong ui sebentar ha ke jeng di isya step pat ye lekmen halor ke jeng job ke jong ki. Penpup buram ke sorkar ye kinong puli belak ham Rangbak ke Ullas Fest arajar apun riau kentu Menteri Rangbak ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma ban kinti we ke puli puthi ha ke belak ham Rangbak. On ai jige rap ke sorkar ke samla ke belak pendep ya ke prelims jong ke UPSC on Menteri Rangbak ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma. Bat kentat ke sorkar jelah halor ke jengtei ke benek junom ha ke dolin nong lumpong deng. On pelet jengmut na ke bentar kamariang ke bekun. Bentar ini pai syaki kubor na keleng ke jelah. Ke sorkar jela kelapan kuburom yaki kena kibala la ban le bah ke eksamen secondary school leaving certificate ni SSLC kibana KHASI Bajai Hills ne kesingi ha ke yeng sa jong Menteri Rangbak ha Polo Hills ha ke ni kesingi lai don lang Menteri Rangbak ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma lembat Menteri ke tanak puli puthi pa alak men rumboi. Nalor ke jige di isya step bat Menteri Rangbak lembat Menteri ke tanak puli puthi ki samla puli ki belawan haki kedan besyakmat ki lapan pau ki jing treshitong jongki ban pendep ya kete ke eksamen ka jing pen ko burom na ke bentar ki samla puli ha Garo Hills on pelong ha ketayo ke penwan.
We feel very happy and we feel very satisfied to see that today we are seeing 86% pass, where there was a time when we used to have just 50% pass. Of course, we desire to see more, and we are giving an option where the students who did not make it in the first try will get a second option. So I hope that the pass percentage will go up. But this is just one of the steps that we are seeing for the reformation of education system as a whole. Just a few months back, we had taken a decision to reform the ad hoc in the SSA teachers also, and that has taken impact now. And on the 1st of May, the ad hoc and the SSA teachers will be receiving their first pay structure, the revised pay structure that is there. It will be a great moment for the education system, and I hope that that will lead to further improvement of the education system as a whole.
The result did not really matter to me, but when I went to the school and I realized that I have achieved the first position, it all just hit me like a truck. It didn't even feel real. I was still, it was a dreamy feeling.
So before the results, I was very nervous. I was praying to God so that I can succeed, so that I'll get what I work for, right? But then, I'm not the one who checked the results actually. So it was actually my brother who told me that I got the 8th position, and my uncle was also there with me, and they were all very happy, and I was also very happy about it.
My heart was pounding before the results, so what we did was we sang through some songs just to calm myself down, and when we got the results, I could just see the happiness in my aunt's face, my mother's face, my father's face. Even I myself was overfilled with joy, and I just went around hugging all my relatives, yes.
Menteri Rangbak ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma ulapan pau ke jing sokia halor ke jing duna ke samla ke jelai ke bapas ke eksamen UPSC Civil Services. Ulak dauru ya ke jing bomdon ke nongelam ke jing bombiang ha ke jing hikai. Bat ke jing hiran ha kaliang pisah tingka ke belong ke dauba jong ke jing duna ke samla ha ke pas ya ke eksamen. Nakaliang Menteri Rangbak ke Jelau ulapan benai ke program banterwa ha ke kersan ki samla ke belap pendep ke prelims. Da ke baai jing rap pisah ke jing ai jing hikai bat kiwe ki jing don kamban ya rap ki kenang bekila ban job ha ki kerdan ki bakongsan bat ki interview.
And civil service clearance at the central and the UPSC level is definitely one area which we are very, very concerned about, and we would like to see more students pass. So this year itself, in fact, I'm starting a program where I'm going to be supporting financially the students who have cleared the prelims. Will be giving financial support to them from the government side. At the same time, where there are different districts and different organizations through which we are giving coaching and training and financial support. And we had started a program online many, many years back, which of course had to be stopped because of the COVID, the pandemic that struck us. But we are slowly structuring it. I hope that we'll be able to see more impact. Just recently in Garo Hills also we had, the religious organizations also have started to start this training process, and government is helping them also. So.
Umentri Ramba Kajalau Kondit Ki Sangma Ulapan Shai ba Om Shimladon Ki Jingte Ki Bane Junom Hakadola Nong Lumpong Deng Hapok Project Resort Blat Mu Bante Hapapin Pau Shapang Ki Jing Halorka Mariang Uloong ba On Sha Tang Ki Jingte Ki Bashipor Kum Ki Ying Darab Ki Ying Basana Ki Benta Ki Por Ki Belinkot But on Weng No Yeki Tang Hapok Kindiat Sngi Ula Banjur Baki La Jingada Ki Baperking Ba Kidon banyada ya kamariang hakte kidolenong but ulaken tu ki pat ba kim de ban sha ai lambakla hakijing ajing tip ki babakla da ka bapens kembiang ya ka jing ang no jong ka sarkar ban kintiu ya ki kam jongo kai perthei ka banne junom.
I would like to take this opportunity to clarify to everyone that in the agreement that has been signed, the government and the tourism department has made it very, very clear that there will be no permanent construction that can take place in the island. So therefore, the concerns that are there that the entire island will be made into a concrete setup is completely wrong. Government has made it clear in the agreement that no permanent structure is going to be allowed in the island. But in order to ensure that we're able to take advantage of the location, temporary structures, shamiranas, pandals, and temporary stalls, which are going to be dismantled once the program is over, like we do in Watts Lake. These kind of structures will be allowed, which will be barely there for a week, 10 days, and then removed again. And hence, there will be no impact of any sort on the island or on the overall flora and fauna in that location. And hence, I would like to clarify this and inform everybody that there is no major need to be concerned. There could be some individuals who might try to mislead, that there have been some consent to operate and establish permissions being given. That is as per the Forest Department's permissions, which means that Forest Department has said that in case the permission has to be given, it can be given as per the Forest Department in certain sections. But to take that also into consideration, we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the Tourism Department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction, permanent construction, will be allowed in that particular island. So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed.
Ki laingot ki khot jong ka Green Tech Foundation Meghalaya glass dang biang ya ka jing satkan ka jong ki baklembo por hamadan malki ha ka jan mi jong ka sngi pale hadim bla perlat yaki na Sardar Police Station. Laban kedo ba kamashwa ki la shakem ha ka por bagidang penlong ka jing ki shabaj jong ka secretariat. Tukumta kita ginonge ki dang ye beteng bendawa ba de ben penkut no ya ka project bante ka resort ha ka dolen nong lumpong deng ka ba umyam. Nakaliang ka KHASI Students Union kala ajeng kershan ha ka ba President uba Lambo Starwell marngar. Ulapan pau ba watla ka roy ka par kalong ka bakongsan hinre. Kamde ban kata ya ka mariang.
Matrai undon wiru banam yo kubur ba lingim kwa ki kayo ka kot ka cingkiu jong jala ko ko henrei kam semut pat ka cing yo ka kot ba hapan ya penyo pat ya jing ket jing biang yo ka memereng ka bangi kun ring don kam man ring sien man yo ka ka er ba khot pa subah bat kita long tong wa la long kan lu bentaru wi ya kran kata But they halal kata nurim hi wat ka seng na ka sport bowling persa je kini hismen plan beton hai penta ba per mai ikila pencot je kini mariang. Iwan kini company na soba pikiran hok kecing sisa kadungut ki kun samla beli okam tu caka baboni ki long tangki nong upgrade bat kuntar tetel ri baboni ki wan ra ki nong terina soba.
Ka Ullas Fest Arajar Apunrio, Kavlapanlong the Directorate of School Education and Literacy, but ka State Literacy Mission Authority. Klalong ha ususo tham auditorium Michelong. Hakani kasngi laya don lang umintri rang bak kajalau konret kesang ma, haringkat umintri kita nak puli puthi ubala kemen rumbui. Nakaliang umintri rang bak kajalau, lapan pau ke jing don kamban kintiu ke jing nang jing start haki samla bat kebela rang bak. Lasami ki sirnot shikinong ishim benta kumju lapan kup burom ru ya ki belakam rang ba. Bala pelai pat ba ya ki video ban penso tu haga ketin KHASI penslor ya ka jenghi kai ke beken thup lang ya baro.
Why it is important? We know the government of India from time to time, from the Operation Blackboard in those days to the adult education. And now this program of Ullas, which the target have been set that by 2027, the India as a whole will be fully literate country. So we as a part of the country, around 2 lakh of us, the population in the state, which have not been certified literate. And to reach that benchmark of 95%, we need another 38,000 people.
Menteri Rambak Ajalau Korek Kisang Ma ulah penpenaban penklan ya ke puliputi ha MEGHALAYA dah kaba on pentrekam ya ke rukom siu tulop nak bentakin nong hikai ad hoc bat SSA na duk ke shiterik ujemang. Ya kini labu ukum shibenta jong kamat ban penyar ha ke puliputi ke bertemu benweng ke jengduna ha ke rukom hikai ke skul. Dah kaba penpau ya ke jeng kelas suki pasuki hindrai kaba la ban yoi ha ke jengmi. Menteri Rangba ulah kedau ya ke jengkiu, haba Kenya ke jeng pas bahagi samla puli, baulah penksan, ban wanra ke jeng kelah haki jaka puli, ke jeng yashim benta jugi patba haka ban kentiu ke rukom hikai haka jela.
Just a few months back, we've taken a decision to reform the ad hoc and the SSA teachers also, and that has taken impact now. And on the 1st of May, the ad hoc and the SSC teachers will be receiving their first pay structure, the revised pay structure that is there. It will be a great moment for the education system. And I hope that that will lead to further improvement of the education system as well.
Katnat Food Processing Industries, Kalapanlong Kajingilang Bishar Binia Halor ke scheme Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises, Havivanto Shillong. Hakani ke jeng lang lai shim benta de ki he sorkar kinong yo jeng men toy bat kiwe hakabala bishar benia ya ke jeng ya chaprang ki jeng bat ke jeng kata na ke scheme na kaliang joint secretary Katnat Food Processing Industries Udevesh Deval ula ong ba ke ni ke scheme ka ai bor ki jaka penmi marbam ki berit bat ban kintie ke jeng sengkam sengjam bat ka yo kam yo jam hakathan.
And we have reviewed the performance of Meghalaya state. It is doing well. Meghalaya is, one of the most forward-looking states, if I can say so. There are challenges in terms of sourcing applications because it is a bit difficult to motivate and encourage people to apply for entrepreneurship and taking loans. But I think that the entire team is making very good efforts. And we have discussed that what changes we need to make so that we can encourage more people to apply and under the scheme and take advantage. We want to build a culture of entrepreneurship in Meghalaya, especially because we are from agro-food sector. This is the strength of a state like Meghalaya, where horticulture products are very good and a very good quality.
Kumshibenta ban gintiu ke roi ke par hapo Mausan Ram constituency MLA ke than uba Olen Sing Sun ula pentip badang shen ula let benjungo ke jaka badang te ya ke jingking KHASI marah ke badan haringku ya kini ke jingking late na ke bentaban penyeso ke ringku bat ke dangar bat kiwe ki shnong ki bamarjan hapo kini ke constituency ya kini ke project late ke jinglut ke bashis pa arpusau klor tingka hak jengjengai ke basis pak meter. Kini ke jengking ke dei ke wei ke jat jengking. Bakam balak milenti ban pendap haulbear jong snem arajar arpunyo.
Kawak kasimara kepada pataka kejinjang kedong sispa meter. Bala sanction yaka hak arfu sauklur poisau kul ajar. But kani jiking kepada kampan yaka konstitusi masram ini kamtam di konstitusi kepada kepada. Nomor bahasiliang juga jiking mahasiliang kujuni ki kadon kau public health center. But kahat modern ketika wei kahat ke bapau nama aboda ke kisinong di bahasa yang jauh tu kawa di babun ba ki berada po traditional kiwan tu apa health center kiwan kahat modern tu khatam ke polier bapli bun bagi kerja nama ba hari ni kan kawa kiting macam kali.
Menteri Ketna Puli Puthi ubak lakmen rembui ulai don bintah kajing rakhi ke Platinum Jubilee jong kamu plang government LP School ke badan West Giant Hills bagini kajing rakhi ke long nak bintah kajing dak menyau pusan snem naduk bala seng ya kini ke school house nem khat khandai spa san puai kini ke school ke bala sedang ningkong kum ke school mission mentah keladon shi spa prapunyau ngot ki kena school bat san ngot kinong hikai. Hagani ke sengila IT ke dorkas halor ke jeng dawaban kintiu kerdan berbentung kambun kinong tre. Bat nakaliang menteri ula pentikna ban ajeng kersan pisa khatway lak tingka na kebenta ke jeng tei bat ban bu mau nong rim na kebenta ke jeng tei ya ke yeng ke betamai.
Karwan mando snyau tenat ko snyau sok negasi uyu. Ya ke jeng teman yang machnang ke thau. Wadat pada jauh ni mamer o nyabal san yang kani skul. Kani penyua, kani kecnam kamen sen kau maya yang ketinggang keting start, kamen sen kau maya, kamu nu keting kai, ya ki kon kina man step man kawi. Ya tiba, hapo keting cerai, yang kemen keting komiti. Hai po keting emensen yang kenang sei ka presbyterian kamera kenagin nendo kaknesta sampawi hapo keting pai nama sarkar kaniga skur depu.
Kasinjuk Federation of Piggery Farmers pau kajing sokia kabajur hakabai day kajing sapriang kajing pang African swine fever kabla penyap at penjat napang yikis pak teli kisiang habarok kabai kejela. Nagadao, bumdan kanu kalat bat penkot ya kani kajing pang, kinong ris niang kila du nong shikat day, kila yok ru ya kajing siu pilot kesan kabadu na palan, bagajing kersan kabaslem na kaliang kinong sumari kimarat kimring. Ucaman Joga Federation u Prosper Dorpang ula kentu ya ke sorkar ban penbenada ke State Agricultural Emergency, bat ban pa ru ya kikenhun ai jing sumar. Kini kesinjuk kelapan paru ya kajing songkia jengmut halor kajing jelai jong kisniang tatdor nakiwai pat kijela. Hakabakila dawa ban kamper king hakabai day pat kini. Ka North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy kelapan long ya ke program Walk for Homeopathy haka kendai trik uyayong ban rakhe ke sngi buram World Homeopathy Day bat ya kelingku sngi kha ka ba arspa anyau puai jong Samuel Hahnemann kini ke jingya lenti pelakawe alamadu Dr. BDR Tiwari kelas dang nasit Central Library bat kutno ha golf club kini ke program kelapan pau ya ke pang pedeng Bharatiya Homeopathy, transforming traditional wisdom into tangible science. Hakabalawan banishim benta de ki samla puli. Ki doktor bat ki noktre, da ka bakentiu ka homeopathy kum ka la jing sumar, ka basngan, bat ki dawai da shin ki baba habaro kiliang. Kinong ilam jong ka senra tuber kila kentat ya ki jong kenok persya jong ushan li rembai ha ka baydai ba ka jing sha aweng ka jong u kum unong penbit nong penbiang ha ka le niam le rukom u president helping power ula pensyai ba ka jingjit ya ki longdo labot bet kat kum ka riti dostur bat kam dei ru tang na ka wei ka kur ka jai Kinong ilam kilaong bauba rembai ulaweng no yaladi dala ka monso bha lejong ha ka jingelang ka blalong ha ka khatwei terik uno pra 8,000%. Baula kentat i ki jing keno bakidon ki jing berngam bersit ni jing penbo nakaliang ki jong ki. Hadin kini latung yo acting longdo bat yo wasan.
Yung right to bear kumaham ya o. Ndai i kam ginong nong ab hawa kalamu kam tu pensnafsi jor hajing eto adu kate ile to gatu gajing kelam yang o ko bakla hagatu gasngi go penman hagata ga khadwi tarik ubnai khat arjar ar pausan gajing ya kelam itu em gawi to ke kod ko pha no council cha waro kidaloi wa hap ki usomit ya ki rukom jet longdo rukom jet wasan ke dustur riti jar ke right
Tangni pash ki kubor na kathan shadela mingi Menteri Rang Baka Jila Assam Uhimanta Bispasarma ula ong baka jingpoi kinong wan tap vote ha Assam kala kieu bha ha ka blak kami lenti bakan kieu nriu la ni nyo na kashispa na ka bajulong ha keleng kisnong githaw ula kdo ya ka jingkieu ka jingshim benta ki kenthe ki samla ba kinong tap vote ki bom ju wan tap vote thikna but ula pen pau baka sang BJP ka la ban yo hadu khendai phau tli ki seat hindai ula ong ba on se ekran bnia ye ki jing tmu hadi belade pen bna ya ki nong job
कुल मिला के महिला और युवाओं ने अक्रॉस द असम वोट किया है असम का अस्मिता के लिए वोट दिया है घुसपैठियों का खिलाफ वोट दिया है और असम का संस्कृति को बसा के रखने के लिए इस बार लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा तरीका से वोट डाले
Menteri Rangba ka Manipur Uwai Kemchan Singh ula sha priang Burom Hasenapati district ha kajing pli ke bopun ba ki project penroi ha githai maram ke ba ha po ki scheme jo ka sarkar pedeng ba sarkar jilla kini ki project ki kinthop ya ki jaka sumar bobun rukom ka jaka ajing sumar ka badon ya ki lab ki yeng aganwadi ki jing shiling ba ki floodlight ha ki school ki pankhana ki community hall bat ki wei Hakani ka jing lang la pelong ru ia ki jing duwai na ka benta ka jing shong suk shong shngan. Bat ki jing pen kup buram ha ka bagi nong shong shnong kila ai kuble ya ka jing shim kya ki jong Menteri Rangba banwan ra ya ka jing itali ha Manipur. Mentang ni pash ki kupon na keleng keri. Uhe sarkar ha ka kerdan additional secretary but Menteri Katnat boarding Upayush Singh mentagasi kila ajeng krench kelat patai kubor ha kapor ba kaladon ke jingelang ju ki menteri ba ki he sarkar na kitnat sarkar ba pher ba dia kren halor ki jingja ka phang sep ngi ka doba Asia ha ka ba ka sarkar kala puli bnia ai ka jing ken at ki jing kuslai jing mut halor ka shong suk ka shong shngan ba ka jing shakta jong ka yo ka kot na ka daw jong ka thma ha ka te than
and during this period and even before that also we have successfully met the peak demand as well as energy requirement of the country. Our last year's peak demand was 245 gigawatt and before that it was 250 gigawatt and throughout this year our energy requirement has been consistently met, although the growth in the energy requirement was only 0.8%, but in all the months of this period we have successfully met the energy demand continuously.
Mentai ne page ki kubor nak link pertain. Kador umpnia, hakeleng pertai, kadang peteng ban kieu hadin ba kakit kaba, hakadur yau Strait of Hormuz, kampat atikna wat hadin ba ke United States but Iran, kilapan banai ke jinge sange yasiat. Ke West Texas Intermediate kalanang kieu dor, but kador kalane haka kendai punyo point prahnyo dollar. Karba ke Brent crude, lakut hakador kendai pusan point kendai $. Kadi ke jengkiu dor kadai nak kadau jo ke jingsha pendik kalit kawan jong ki jahat kit umpniang lingba kani keduriau. Wadlau President Korea United States Donald Trump ulapan bena ke jingsa nge Asian ki jeng kuslai jengmut kidang don halor kalit kawan kebaskan para halor ki jenge ken at hakan negatan. Mentai ne page ki kubor yele kai sports. MEGHALAYA Motor Sports Society dak betrelang bat ke Godspeed Racing napuni kalapan krek pelong ke Limpung Yakob nyak baik belatip kum ka MRF Mogrip Supercross FMSCI National Championship Hamadan Kurkalang Ribhoi District a Khatway Turik Uyayong. Kani kadai ka binta ka basdang jong kani ka Limpung Yakob nyak baik ya ka ba on sa pelong ru hakiway pat kinong ba hakari bro kowe. Balakimi lentiru baha kani ka jinge kop kindon kumba shis pa sau puwe ngut ki banwan shimbenta. Kiban mi kmat ru ya keleng ki jaka jong kari India kintup ru ya sau pungut na jela MEGHALAYA.
This is the first time like Supercross is here, and the first time in Northeast that we are having a Supercross championship round, and we are looking forward to, since he's part of the MRF Supercross, we are looking forward to building the Supercross over here in the next few years to come, and we're looking forward for Monday to train the young riders from our state. And we are also thankful for MRF for giving us this chance to host a Supercross in the Northeast, which we are hoping and looking forward to, having MRF in the Northeast area sometime again in the future.
Ka annual sports Arhajar Arpuntrio jong school Joytis Road School kalakut no hakasi thot ding kana ka ba udukhat ka kinhul mentri ubasan bor shulai ulalong kongsan. Haganig Limpung ka basaus ki linter relation benta shong shit ki khna school kinong hi kai ki kimi ki kpa bar kumjoru na khandai tli ki wei pat ki school uba shulai ulai ro ek jingya chaprang jong ning school ba ula kularu ban ai jing kershan ya ka haganig sngi ki ladon bon ba ki jingya mare thong ka match pass bat ki program tin rai ka blakan tiru ki men si mitrelang ba ka jingya ba ya rinti.
The second place, Elfidia from William Taylor again, and the first place. Third place we have Meban Punshai from Valentine who.
Temen tepat ngini pek ke jenglong jengman kesin bedeng hakeleng ke benta jong kejela. Hatura ke jeng kelong 4 degree Celsius ke jeng kelong 8 degree Celsius ke jeng sengam kau hau kelong 20 na ke shispa ke jeng hap slap kelong iwei millimeter. Habapai pat shalong ba shalong ke jeng kelong 4 degree Celsius ke jeng kelong 4 degree Celsius ke jeng sengam kau hau kelong 2 na ke shispa. Kat bahajawai ke jeng kelong 4 degree Celsius ke jeng kelong 4 degree Celsius ke jeng sengam kau hau kelong 2 na ke shispa. Kajing hap slap kelong 0.0 millimeter. Kesunjung kendum lo atura shalom berjawai. Kelak rup bendon ke jenghap selap ke bawah malu-malah hakikat tu kene ke jaka. Shawan poi buku jang tup ke bawah pek biang sesi ni akimat berkongsan. Priang Sobhau Menteri Rangba ke Jela, Ukon Red ke Sangmai ke Samla berpas bah ke eksamen SSLC nak KHASI ba Giant Hills. Hake yeng sa ke Jong U. Ye shembentah hake jenge di isha step, bat jenge lek keman helor ke jengjok ke Jongki. Penkop burom ke Sorkar ya kinong pulie belak kam Rangba hake Ullas Fest Arhajar Arpun Rio. Kentu Menteri Rangba Ukon Red ke Sangma ban kentiu ke peliputi hake bah kilak kam Rangba. On ai jengarap ke Sorkar ya ki samlai ke bela pendek ke prelims jong ke UPSC on Menteri Rangba ke Jela Ukon Red ke Sangma. Bat kintai ke Sorkar Jela halor ki jingtei ki benek junom ha ke dolunong lumpong deng. On pelak jengmut na ke bentar kemariang ke Bepul. Ti perlu ketung lapoi syubukut jang tup kubor jing nata ke janmit. Hadu bendi syem yang berpilih syai kesi. Kublai pi paro.